I love pretzels so much. I like it. Hey, this is good. Hi everybody, so I just recorded a video. Hopefully my storage is good and doesn't cut off on me because that would be horrible. But today we're going to be unboxing my order by Junk Food Vegan. Alright, so I'm just going to jump straight into the video. But basically I got a Vegan's Valentine's Day box. I got 3 Rice Krispie treats and a charcuterie board. I don't know how to say it.
Charcuterie.
Okay. Trying to unbox it with these safety scissors. Okay. I don't know which way this opens. Oh, it's on the bottom too. I feel like, ow. Please, this is more dangerous with safety scissors. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to cut the box because I don't want to cut myself. So, there we go. There you go. I got it. All right. Ooh, fun dip. Fun dip. All right. What's that? A chocolate chip fell out. Oh, you can microwave that. It tells you the microwaving instructions. Okay. Did some fall out? I feel like some fell out because there was stuff moving around. I don't know. Don't care because I still will be eating it. All right. I got these brown. Dang. These are the ones that I got. I'm trying to show you, but like the lighting. Hold on. This is what they look like. Okay. You already know I got a post to be in Twitter, so. Okay. And then some of the wafers like fell out, I guess. They're good. I don't think you understand how much I miss wafers. Oh yeah, some of the stuff fell out. What the heck? I blame USPS. Oh, there's a hole in it. I blame USPS because there's also a hole in the box. So like stuff fell everywhere. Wow. So, oh, that's chocolate dip. Crackers. Ooh, graham crackers. Chocolate dip. Pretzels, marshmallows. Little gummy hearts. Oh my god. This looks so good. I feel like it's all gonna be gone by today. Oh, there's little, you know, like the little heart candies. They're like hard. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go warm up the Rice Krispies. I kind of want to put the thing on a board so like I can like have it look professional. But at the same time, I feel like that's gonna mess a lot of stuff up. So I'm gonna go warm these up. I want to, you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna try them not warmed up and then I'm gonna warm them up. So let's see. I know my parents want a bite, but I'm gonna take, so this is just, it's a Rice Krispie treat. I haven't had a Rice Krispie treat though since I went vegan, so let's try it. This be warmed up. I'm about to break my tooth. I want to try it though. They do have to be warmed up. Dang. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've warmed them up. So I got original, strawberries and cream, and red velvet. I'm gonna taste the original first. Duh. Mm-hmm. It tastes like it has flavor in it, but it doesn't. I like that. I like it. I do. The one that I really wanted was red velvet though. I don't know. It's because like I didn't drink some water in between, but I can't taste the red velvet. Do I have water? But they're good, and I will be eating the rest. I will be eating the rest. Yeah, this is my bed, and I'm gonna put them right there. They are good though. Okay. It also has a candy cane in it. I'm gonna leave it in the box. The little board, I'm gonna leave it in the box because stuff is already falling out and I don't need ants in my room, you know? So this is what it looks like again. Oh, again. Okay. I'm gonna try not to eat it all now because I do want to have some for dessert. So there's little chocolate chip cookies, this is what I wanted to try, okay? Little gummies. Hold on. What are these? They taste familiar. Tastes like red. I'm sorry, I look mad. I'm not mad. They taste red. Is the chocolate for the pretzels? I don't feel like going to look on the page. I'm sorry. I love pretzels so much. Ooh, it tastes like, isn't that Hershey's chocolate? Isn't that like accidentally vegan? I don't know. I've not tried it. That's good. I don't like that. I do. I think this is where I'm gonna leave it because if I just keep eating, whole thing's gonna be gone. Yes, I got this from the Junk Food Vegan. I'm gonna put the website on the screen somewhere. But yeah, I got this from the Junk Food Vegan. It was for Valentine's Day. It was really good. Where's the plate at? These were so good. I should have taken a thumbnail picture. Oh well. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot the Fun Dip was down here. Fun Dip is vegan! Fun Dip is vegan! Oh, she put my name on it. She put my name on it. Oh my gosh, wow. This was really good. This was really good. And she did it all by herself. She did it all by herself. And she had like 300 orders, I think. Something like that. Period. Thank you for watching. I know this was short. I'm going to love to edit this. It was so short. But I know it was short. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope everybody has a nice day. Hope everybody had a nice Valentine's Day. This was really good. I'm going to try not to eat it all. I do have to share with my parents. I don't have to share. Excuse me. But my mom does want to taste some. But yeah. This is good. Shout out to the Junk Food Vegan. And yeah. Bye. Bye. Bye.